Hello, today we are going to be fitting new side lights into my car. The previous owner had unfortunately put RGB LEDs in that were infrared, so you had to do each bulb individually. I don't really want any of that. I'm going to be putting extra lights on for show use anyway. I don't really want to be pulled over by the old bill for not having white side lights. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just pull the front grille off. Just sit that up there out of the way. Then we're going to be taking these 10mm bolts out. We do have to remove the headlamp units on this particular model because the side lights are actually, technically they're in the actual wing where the bulbs go in, so you don't have any access to them to be able to quick change them without taking the headlamp out. Okay, so now that those are out, we need to take these pins out so that we get a little bit more manoeuvrability of the front bumper. There's those out. The headlamp now will just be connected, will just be held in by two locating pins on the left hand side behind the wing, so we can just pull them out of that. And this is where you need the extra bit of plate in the front bumper, so you can just get that round. And that's it. Now that the headlamp is free, we can twist the bulb holder and remove those old tacky bulbs. Now I'm actually using CC Auto VIT bulbs, and you can buy them in a pack of 10. I think these were about £6 on Amazon. Because they are LED, we are going to have to make sure that we've got them in the right way. So I'll just plug it in before we put it all back together. We're just going to quickly check that the bulb is in the right way.
1 minute, turn it off. Turn the lights off. Cool, and then back on. What's that now do?
Okay, so now we've made sure that bulb is in the right way. We can relocate it back into the position. Screw it back into place. It just does just a quarter of a turn. It locks in place. And wrestle it back round behind the bumper trim. Find the hints. Put it back into place. Now I've got to just put those two bolts back in. Okay, so that's done back up. Let's have a look and see what the difference is. As you can see, that's quite a big difference. Starters is white. This is a very good start.
I mean, if we have a look, we have a new LED there versus the old RGB, which is definitely blue.
Yep.
I mean, you can tell that is definitely 100% blue.
So that, boys and girls, is how you change your side lights.
You got me trapped inside this spell. Now I feel it. Now I feel it. Your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel